All right, here we are coming into day 2 finally. It took us a little bit longer to get here than we thought it would. We had a lot of rain here in Arizona, which is kind of odd. We had like a week straight of rain, and then right after that I got sick. So it's been a fun last couple weeks, but we're good to go now. Gonna get the motor pulled today and see what she looks like. All right, let's get to it. So first step, we've already run into a problem. Went to drain the oil and we can't get the oil pan bolt out, so doing everything we can. Let's see.
Hey, I broke it free. All right. Oh, fuck.
Splash oil on yourself?
A little bit. There it is. She's free.
Finally.
Fucking big vice grips for the win. She's on there too, man. Yeah. We did it. It smells so good. It smells like my grandpa's old garage.
Realized we needed some fender mats while we were working. I found these nice Challenger labeled fender mats from Holly. Alright, exhaust manifolds off, or unbolted. Got the starter off. We're gonna go after the bell housing bolts now. Last motor mount bolt out, almost.
Just about. Time to test the tensile strength of everything we couldn't find and unhook. Got it. Here she is.
All right.
There it is. All right. Now. Just a little bit. Okay. What's going on there? Okay. You're looking free, dude.
All right. Motor's pulled.
Lift her up. Up, up, up. Victory is ours. Maybe not. That's right. Right, push it back towards me. Yep. Okay. Oh, what? Transmission is on the jack. No, I bought jack. I don't have a floor jack.
It was a vacuum. Oh, we should have disconnected that. It was a ground strap.
Oh, that was gonna have to get replaced anyways.
Yeah. Guess what? You're gonna make it.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that guy.
The spider? Yeah.
Wonder how old he is.
don't
And
know.
how that one looks alive.
That
was
one
alive!
very much alive. No, he
Oh,
ain't.
he's not.
It's just very floaty.
Oh my god.
I hope that.
Alright, before we get this thing in the garage, I'm gonna spray it down with some degreaser and stuff first. Gonna use some Grip Clean's heavy duty degreaser. It's good stuff. Let's see. My bottle's not broken. It very may well be. Alright, let's try this again. Let's swap bottles. Yellow. Watching. Essentially done. We got the motor out. Got it on the hoist still. Spray it down with some degreaser. Let it soak for a while. Then we'll spray it down. Get as much off as we can before we put it on the stand and get it put in the garage. And then tomorrow we're gonna get it put on the stand. Maybe see if we dig into it or not. But I want to get this done and out. Get this video posted as soon as possible to get everyone updated on what's going on. I appreciate everybody that's been actually subscribing to the channel and really interested even after only putting up one video of this. It's awesome. I'm glad people are interested in what we're doing and wanting to follow the progress. If anybody has any more information on what you think we should do with the motor, tips, tricks, whatever, we've talked to a few people who've been doing this for a while, so we got some ideas, but you know, more information the better. Still debating on whether I'm going to do the Holley Snapper kit or not. Kind of right now I think I might just stick with the carb, because I bought a Street Demon 650 that I bought for it a long time ago before we ever did get anything, and that's a pretty big carb for this. But I think if we do some motor work, it's going to be a good carb, so I won't have to really worry about buying something else if we decide to stick with it. I don't know, we'll see. You know, subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever, and see you guys soon.